Okay, I'm going to walk you through Serial Hacker 2, get the admin's password. All right, so here's the website. Open that in the new tab. All right, so interestingly enough, because we have a cookie from before, it's actually logging us right in. It says we're not admin. And that's a little bit surprising. Because if I look at my cookie, let's see what my cookie says here. We'll decode that. Right, I have there the SQL injection, tick or 1 equals tick, in the password field. If we go back to the login screen, best guessed does not work. So I can't really see what a cookie should look like. And brute forcing this username password is not going to be successful. All right, over here is a nice website that describes using a PHP filter for local file inclusion. You'll note in our website we have this file equals, and we can specify, whatever we want there. And it'll tell us like, hey, I don't know what hello PHP is. What we can do though is we can say, I want to filter and base64 encode something. So if I filter and base64 encode admin, for example, I get this string here. So if I decode this, I can get out the source code for admin PHP. And what you'll see in admin PHP is that it's really doing something from cookie PHP. All right, so fine, we can do this again. We go back and we say, all right, I want cookie. Well, what's cookie? So let's decode the cookie page. All right, so the cookie page, you'll see they've commented out, and they now have this prepared query that they have going on. So that's sort of bad news for us. But we can get to the SQL Connect PHP. It looks like it's up a folder, right? So if we go up a folder SQL Connect, we stick that in here. Let's look at what this source code says. What this source code does, it tells me the username and password to get to the SQL database. So I can come over here to the shell server, say MySQL-U, looks like MySQL and password. And the password is right here. Copy, paste. All right, here I am. So I'm going to show the databases. I'm going to use pico ch2 because pico ch1, right? We already did that one. That was Serial Hacker 1. And I'll show tables. And I'll select star from users. And now I have the password. And so you'll see that I wasn't going to get anywhere trying to brute force any of these passwords. There was no guest user anymore. But using that PHP local file inclusion, we were able to dump out all the source code of the PHP files. And then with that, we were able to get access to the database and then the flag. So I'll throw that flag over here, and now we are done.